let's make some honey garlic chicken wings in the offset smoker. So to get started, I'm going to open our firebox lid and the side door. Then I'll get some firelighters down and get a full charcoal chimney worth of briquettes on. Now we'll be making a honey garlic sauce to go on these chicken wings later on. So to complement those flavors, I'll be seasoning our chicken wings in our honey soy slammer and our garlic goals rubs. And to make cleanup easier, I'm just seasoning my chicken wings in a foil tray, and you can use whatever type of chicken wings you want. For this cook, I'm using some V wings, or if you wanted to use another chicken cut, chicken drumsticks or chicken thighs would also work well with this recipe. And now our briquettes have caught light, we're going to dump them in. Then we'll get a log split on top and wait for that to catch light. That'll take a minute or two, so while that's happening, we'll make sure our chimney stack is open. Then once your log split's caught light properly and your fire's burning nice and clean, you can shut your firebox lid, but we want to leave the side door open for the whole cook, because now we want to get our smoker up to around 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius to cook these wings hot and fast. Then once your smoker's at temperature, go ahead and get your wings on. And we might not even end up using it, but I'm just going to preheat another log split in case we need it. Now there's lots of different cooking methods for chicken wings, but I've chosen the offset smoker today because I don't think we've done a video on it, and the offset smoker produces some great flavour. And all we really need to do is take our chicken wings until they are crispy, cooked through, and at least 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius internally. I reckon they'll take 45 to 60 minutes to get there, so we'll let them go for a while and we'll come back towards the end of the cook to make our honey garlic sauce. So for our honey garlic sauce, in a pot we're going to start by melting down 1 tablespoon of butter, then we'll crush in 3 cloves of garlic, then I'll finally grate in a teaspoon of ginger, then we'll cook that off for a minute or two until it becomes nice and fragrant. Then I'll add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Then we'll let that cook away for around 10 minutes. Alright, and after about 45 minutes, our chicken wings are looking great. That skin has gone nice and crispy. So what I'm going to do now is brush over some of that honey garlic sauce. And now we'll shut our lid for 5 minutes just to let that sauce set. Right, and after 5 minutes, I'm just going to give them one more brush in that sauce, one last 5 minutes, and then they can get served up. Seriously, that flavour is so good. Well, there you have it. There's how to make some honey garlic chicken wings. Definitely give this one a shot. I'll put everything you need to know down in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.